Hey guys, so another massive airdrop, this time from BERA, which is BERA chain, and checker is basically in the description below. So first of all, why this is bullish is because here you can see someone claimed basically 790 BERA, which is worth around 10 to 20,000 USD, just for connecting the X account, which is Twitter account. So I urge you to connect your Discord or X account. Here you can see you basically can connect your wallet, which you have to do. Basically check your wallet address, register your socials, basically connect your socials. And again, there will be, if you basically participate in another chains, you are doing transactions in crypto, just doing casual things, you may qualify for some tokens. That's why I urge you to go on the links and just check if you claim something, if you basically qualify for some tokens, because again, here you can see only 790 tokens will give you around $10,000 to $20,000 in USD. This guy got 2,000, which is worth probably 3 times more, so around $20,000 to $50,000. This guy got 4,000. So here you can see he basically bought an NFT for 4 Ethereum and he got 4,000 BERA. So he basically, here you can see he did. That will be around $40,000 airdrop. For Ethereum was around $12,000. So he got, as you can see, 3.75x in Ethereum terms. Now many people just they don't know how they got the tokens. Me personally, I received 0 because like I didn't probably do anything right to get this airdrop. So again, so this guy, he doesn't know how he got the airdrop, and based on the tokenomics, this could be worth around $1,000, maybe $2,000. So again, massive win for people that are just active on crypto. And again, all the links are in the description. This is one of those airdrops where many people won. Basically, I think even if you held some coins on Binance or staked something, you got some allocation. That's why, again, go in the link in the description to the official checker and check your wallet address, link your X, link your Discord, and you will basically see if you qualify for something. You can see if I connect my X, I already connected. I basically qualify for 0. Let's connect my Discord. I still haven't connected it. So I will just connect my Discord and see if I qualify for some tokens. Let's hope for the best, but I think it will be 0 because this will probably just check if you have some roles on the BERA chain Discord. I used to be on their Discord, but I didn't farm or anything. I am a YouTube creator. So they are checking. So 0 and 0. And for my wallet, I think it's the same. So let's just check my wallet. I don't know, maybe Solana wallet. So check eligibility. We are sorry, your account does not have any airdrop allocation, but looking at the fact that many people on X are bragging and being happy because they got some tokens. So basically check your allocation. All the links are in the description, and I basically posted this already on the Patreon. So if you want to get early alpha, as soon as I see it, I basically post it on my Patreon. Everything goes first on Patreon, only in few hours after I finish uploading, editing, and basically filming the video. That's when I can upload. It takes me 1 to 2 hours. It's much faster for me to post on Patreon. That's why if you want to get early alpha, I'm posting multiple times a day. Follow me on Patreon. All the links are in the description. So if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.